Afternoon. My name is Chen Hao, and I'd like to welcome you all to TAITRA'S Livestream launch for water treatment solutions. Today, TAITRA has brought together 6 Taiwanese manufacturers to share their water treatment solutions in monitoring with you. Due to the coronavirus and the TAITRA's willingness and the desire to continue to help Taiwanese manufacturers to foster trade, we have launched this live stream launch, and today is our number 12. And a little bit of the background, as many of you know already, the AI and the IoT in Taiwan is very developed because Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, many of you have heard this is the world's largest semiconductor company, and they are building a site in Arizona. So basically, a lot of industries, including the green industry and also technological industries, computer industry, many of this has leveraged the technology, high technologies in Taiwan to develop. And so today we'll hear how Taiwanese companies have implemented AIoT to use it in the monitoring solutions. First, I would like to welcome Ms. Rita Chu from Yuden Technology Company Limited. We'll also have Energy Management System Company Limited, or EMS, Aquas Incorporated, Jintel Tech, AccuSensing Technology Company Limited, and Ketek Scientific Instrument Company Limited. Every presenter will have 5 minutes to tell us about their products, and then we will tell you more about how to get in touch with them. So first, I would like to welcome Ms. Rita Chu from Yuden Technology Company Limited. The company was established in 1993, and they have more than 25 years of distribution and manufacturing in measuring devices. So Rita, let me give the floor to you.
Hello everyone. Thank you all for being here. This is Rita. It's my pleasure to have this opportunity to give you a brief overview of Yuden Tech. Sustainable, green, professional. Yuden Tech is the largest instrument sensor manufacturer in Taiwan. Next, please. Let's begin with our 7 main product line of Yuden Tech. As you can see, EYC is our own brand. We have number 1, temperature and humidity transmitter, 2, dew point transmitter, 3, air velocity, 4, gas and air quality monitor, 5, pressure, differential pressure transmitter, 6, water flow transmitter, 7, signal monitor and converter. Next, please. Certifications and patents. With a strong R&D team and professional technology, Yuden Tech has obtained numerous patents, invention, utility model, and design patent. Next, please. Exclusive collaboration laboratory. Yuden Tech a co-professional collaboration laboratory, which are traceable to national or international measurement standards. Also, we work according to EN, ISO, ILEC 17025 standard. All of our collaboration laboratories certified by TOP, the National Accreditation Foundations. We are also proud of being a member of TOP. Next, please. Laboratory level production facility. Our collaboration laboratory has the measurement opportunity evaluation report and collaboration procedures for each system. We believe that after our service, we help our clients to maintain the best quality and stability of your sensor and instrumentation standards. Next, please. Measuring principles and market. Through Yuden Tech physical sensor via transmission technology, which can be applied to various fields, such as HVAC, CDM system, semiconductor, pharmaceutical, agriculture, and so on. Next page, please. Let's talk about Yuden Tech core competence. Next, please. Industry, co-product, resources, basically, they are closely related. due to specifications of many types, so that we could meet the requirement under any different circumstances. Here you can see our code techniques, plus professional soft and hardware with academic alliance, ITRT. Next, please. With high stability, easy to install, waterproof and dustproof housing. For the following 6 slides, I'm going to present the best sellers at UDentech. Next, please. THS30 series. It's multifunctional, mostly used in HVAC, economical price. You can choose either indoor or outdoor type. Next, please. THS80A series, high pressure dew point transmitter, small size, easy to install, pressure and resistance, 16 bar. Next, please. Industrial sensor with non-condensing, sensor structure, 5 layers, more size of conductor for different environment, specialized in low humidity and high pressure. Next, please. It's a successful store case to put the THS80A in a dryer system. Generally, it best fits in CDA system. Next, please. Another successful combination to put the THS80A dew point plus DPMO2 plus SDO5 to make a gas drying apparatus. Next, please. It's our FTM8485, industrial grade high accuracy thermal air velocity transmitter. It follows customers' needs to plan measuring range, analog output, RS485 adjustment, 0-point offset. Next, please. THPO3. It is a 4-in-1 air quality monitor, which is specially used to monitor 4 kinds of physical quantities. Next, please. From the mentioned above, you can trust us with our quality assurance and the collaboration system. Next, please. If you need more detail, welcome to visit our website. Here you can find a dialogue and the successful story. Also, you can download it. Next, please. Global screw-in dew point transmitters market 2020 to 2026 report. Again, UDentech on-brand EYC being included in the global dew point transmitter market. Next, please. AIoT. UDentech adopts transmitters combined with the AIoT technology. It contains with customers' existing cloud system or smart manufacturing systems to present real-time monitoring and retain historical data. Users can remotely know the data on different interfaces. It's our future research goal. Next, please. Premier distributors wanted. Here's some good news for all of you. Next, please. Recently, we've been released a bonus program. There are 2 levels for distributors. Revenue achieve 100%, you get a 5% bonus. Level 2, revenue achieve 150%, you get an extra bonus of 5%. Next, please. In this map, I want to show you, we have almost distributors worldwide in 22 countries. Next, please. 5 strong support. Number 1, products customized OEM, ODM service. 2, excellent R&D technical support. 3, marketing support. 4, ILEC accredited collaboration laboratory. 4, unlimited QC system. 5, accumulated QC system. Next, please. Please follow our social media links as following. Thank you. Next, please. Also, you can contact our global sales division. UDentech for sure is your best solution. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita. As you have heard from Rita, Yuden is a globalized brand recognized by many OEM and ODMs around the world. They also have received many awards, and you have seen that they are ISO and also IEC 17025, basically meaning that in the world they are accredited, and so their instruments are trusted to provide reliable service and analysis. So once again, many thanks to Rita for your presentation. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Steve Lin from Energy Management System Company Limited, otherwise in short, EMS. And Mr. Lin will also tell us many of their applications that now are integrated to the AI, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. And as I was mentioning to you in the beginning, but how the company has implemented these into their monitoring equipment. So let me give the floor to you, Steve.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Steve. Good afternoon. And I'm from EMS, Energy Management System, and we are the smart water metering technology solution supplier from Taiwan. And it's very happy to be here to share this presentation to you. And I will introduce how we support our customers to optimize their water resource management. Next page, please. Established in 1991, EMS has about 30 years in researching and developing the smart water metering technology. We have two factories, manufacture the flow meter, water meter, and wireless data logger. We also provide a total solution, including AMR system, automatic metering reading with flow, pressure, and quality data for the water utilities, commercial section, and industrial section. And we also develop an online service to our customers so they can log in the platform and get the real-time information. Next, please. And our laboratory has complied with the ISO 17025 certificate. That means our test bench has been approved and authorized by the government to do the test and calibration. In our test bench, we provided a test and calibration service for 30,000 water meters and flow meters each month from 15 millimeter to 800 millimeter. Next, please. We also got ISO, RAS certificate, and type approval. With ISO 9001 certificate, we are allowed to manufacture water meter, and with RAS certificates, we can guarantee the product's quality. And with the type approval, we are allowed to supply the products to water company like the Taiwan Water Corporation and the Taipei Water Department. Next, please. This is the product line of EMS Smart Water Meter. The meters are in line with ISO 4064 standard. For clean water, we can provide a smart digital water meter from 12-inch to 12-inch. And for wastewater, we can provide an electromagnetic flow meter and ultrasonic flow meter. Next page. And we also provide different communication solutions for wired communication like PUS, RS-485 Modbus, and for wireless like 3G, 4G, GPRS, even the new technology like LoRaWAN and NB-IoT. Next, please. And besides the water meter and data logger, we also provide an online service. So each user, they will have their own account and password. They can log into platform and access the daily consumption, monthly consumption by different charts and graphs. And we also design another software for water supply network. So the user, they can log in and access the juice information, type information, flow, pressure, and quality information. Next, please. And we also design the app for iOS system and the Android system. So the user, they just use the mobile device like tablet and mobile phone, and they can check the real-time flow, pressure, quality, and the status of water supply network information. Next, please. And when we talk about the smart water metering technology, we talk about the AMR, automatic meter reading. And how we do AMR, EMS can help to collect the parameters like flow, pressure, and quality from different sensors, and then connects to our data logger. And user, they can choose how do they want to transmit the data to the cloud server, like 3G, 4G, or NB-LT LoRa. And it's all based on the customer's requirement. Next, please. And why we call our water meter the smart water meter? For the traditional mechanical water meter, it's all gear parts and can only show you the totalizer. But we have built in many smart functions inside the water meter, like flow rate, forward and reverse totalizer, and monthly, daily consumption logging. And most importantly, we can also provide a user can also see the battery load information and water leakage information from the meter directly. Next, please. And these are some project references in Taiwan. Last year, we have installed 3,000 bulk water meter and 10,000 wireless data logger for the water companies in Taiwan, like the Taiwan Water Corporation and Taipei Water Department, to support them to do the water supply network monitoring. Next, please. And we also have some projects in Vietnam, like Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi City. Last year, we have installed 500 bulk water meter and 1,000 wireless data logger for the water treatment plant and water supply network project. Next, please. For the new technology, like NB-LT, we also do a project in last year. We have installed 3,000 smart digital water meter and NB-LT data logger for a subsidiary island of Taiwan. Next, please. Not only in Taiwan, Vietnam, we also do many overseas projects like in Thailand, India, Indonesia, Kenya, and South Africa to support our customer to optimize their water resource management. Next, please. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can surf our website, Energy Management System, or contact our sales team, Eric, Steve, and Jaden. So thanks for your participation. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Steve. Yes, as we heard from Steve, they have many projects in other countries. Actually, Taiwan works very much. We have had many exhibitions where we have taken Taiwanese delegations to go and exhibit water filtering systems. Today, we are focused on more on the monitoring systems, but we will have also filtering. And yes, many times in Thailand, in Vietnam, in India, they have many questions, and we have many other businesses going on there. And so you also saw the Taiwan Excellence Award. This is given to every year by for the most outstanding companies in design and new products. So you also heard from Steve from EMS how you saw in 2019 they won this award, but actually it's 2016 to 2020. So very impressive. And thank you very much again, Steve. Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Maggie Chen and Rita Yen from Aquas Incorporated. Aquas manufactures sensors, data loggers, AI management solutions, and they put it in application in stormwater sewage, in industrial wastewater, and many other applications. Let me give the floor to you, Maggie, and Rita.
Good afternoon, I'm Maggie from Aquas, and as you see on the slide, we can help you to handle water problems. Next, please. We are located in Neihu, Taipei, Taiwan, and we provide full solution for wastewater quality instruments like loggers, sensors, and we also design our own websites to connect to our products. And due to environmental regulation is legislated, our cases are all around the world, and I will introduce it later. Also, we have some certification like ISO 9001, ROHS, CE, and FC. Next, please. I will introduce our successful cases now. And the first one is the case in Malaysia. Due to climate changes, their government installed our equipment to monitor their drainage system. and it also connects to our own designed website. It would send the mail to the user, and when the situation is abnormal. Next, please. This case is for local case, and it is in Wulai, Taipei, Taiwan. It is famous for its hot spring and will help them to monitor water quality and the supply to be more stable. Next, please. And it is for wastewater and industry water. Will help the biggest thermal power plants in mid-Taiwan. We help them to monitor their drainage system to meet the standard regulation. Next, please. In this page, I will introduce our main products. The first one is FOO. It is an open channel flow meter, and it also our best seller. My colleague Rita will introduce more details later. And the second one is MAX. It is multi-parameter water quality monitoring software. And the third one is a spectrometer. We always call it H2O, and it could connect to our sensors like TOC, DOC, and VOD. It could do real-time monitoring. Next, please. And this one is for our own design website. We always call it AQWeb. And its features are it could connect to Google Maps with GPS. You could do position and the location tracking. And it also high internet security. And it could backup database for the second server. It also could connect to your mobile phones. When the situation is abnormal, you will receive a letter. Next, please. In this page, I will introduce AQWeb could help you to do what. The first one is do monitoring, and the second one is do alarm summary and the statistics report, and also it will do remote configuration. And it was also provide you the flow chart, bar graph, and do some trend and tension pressure analysis. Next, please. In this page, Rita will introduce for you.
Hi, I'm Rita. Today, urban water management is more and more important in global extreme climate by the need to protect life and property. Aqua's Flow 3 is a perfect solution for sewer and stormwater monitoring system. Next, please. First, I would like to briefly introduce the spec and the technology. As you can see the management range on the left-hand side. All our sensors are with RS485 Modbus RTU protocol to connect with our data logger. The Flow 3 remotely measures surface flow velocity and level in open channel with advanced radar Doppler technology. Next, please. Flow 3 is suited for open channels without weirs. There are 5 application channels can use. We will focus on circular pipe for sewer system. Next, please. This picture is from our configuration and calibration software. First, to choose application and type in the request data such as height, width, slope to get the accurate information. Next, please. It is our reliable and high-performance data logger. You can have RS485 or wireless GPRS OG communication. The advanced feature is first, ultra-low power consumption up to 10 years of operation on internal battery. Second, suit for harsh environments from -40 to 85 degrees. Third, it's a robust IP68 solution without cabinet. Continuous submersion for 5-meter water. And last, it is also multi-parameter data logger. Next, please. In Taiwan, we are helping Taoyuan city government to build smart water management. From 2018 till now, we have built total 161 real-time water monitoring stations. That is including flow, water quality, and rainfall. And we just built 7 new stations of flow to help the system better. Besides, we installed near the industry area from last year. It helps government to monitoring if there is wastewater discharge from factory illegally. And this is our picture of our cloud station. Next, please. Our course is focused on R&D for smart water solution. Here is our QR code of our website and the contact information. Thanks for your time and attention.
Yes, thank you, Rita, and thank you, Maggie, for your clear presentations. As we have heard, Aquas also focuses because some people are more, some companies are more focused on the maybe detecting the amount of quantity of water. Other companies are more focused on the quality of the water. And so actually we heard from that Aquas is doing both. So they also can have instruments to do data logging, and they also have instruments to help you to check the amount of level that you have of water. So with that, I'd like to say thank you again. And now I'd like to ask you to check at the bottom of your screen. You see a complete questionnaire to get today's full slides. And please, when you get the chance, scan this QR code and make sure to fill out the questionnaire and return it to us so that we can give you today's slides with the presentations and the contact information. We are going to make this available in YouTube, but it's not going to be released immediately. So please just make sure that you do fill out this questionnaire. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to ask Dr. and he's also the CEO, Qingyuan Xie from Jintel Technology Incorporated, to share with us. They are focused in the solutions for toxic water and the Vibrio that is found in aquaculture. So let me give the ground to you, Mr. Xie.
Okay. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? This project development is to provide a total solution to aquaculture, drinking water, and smart manufacture. So it's not only monitoring, but we also tracking and predicting the change of the water quality. We also provide us a solution how to use the task solution to solve the task problem. All data monitor will be stored in your mobile devices on the cloud server automatically. AIoT is one of the core technologies in the system. I'm Dr. Xie, CEO. Next, please. Okay, I'm Dr. Xie, CEO of Jintel Tech. More technology is published in the international journal and cited over 4,000 times in the global research. Next, please. Okay, summarizing, we integrate the 6 core technology in the system. It's an integration of hardware and software. Very special, unique composite physical sensor is designed in the system to make the data stable and high accuracy. Next, please. The products can be applied in 3 major fields: aquaculture, drinking water, and smart manufacture. Next, please. Why we develop these products? That's because of the global warming and the marine resources depletion. To meet the requirements of protein supply, UN estimates aquaculture production must increase at least 30% by 2025. Also, unhealthy drinking water will threaten people's health, even cause cancer. All we can take care about are not only the safety of seafood and drinking water, we also care about the environment protection. Next, please. Most people have no idea and difficulty to know the water quality. So in aquaculture, plant farming, make a lot of fish and shrimp die collectively and simultaneously. Cost too much feeding, waste a lot of water resources and energy power. In drinking water, it looks like clear and transparent, but it may contain a lot of harmful ingredients to threaten people's health. Next, please. Our job is to make the water perimeter clear, the non-toxic aquaculture farming, and the safe drinking water is our vision. How to do? Next. What do we want to do in this project to solve this problem? Next, please. We provide the 5 major functions in the system. to reach our requirements. It's not only monitoring, tracking, and predicting the change of water parameter, sending the alarm signal to remind the water quality problem immediately. But very important thing is how to use the non-toxic solution to solve the toxic problem. Next, please. Compared with the current market products, there are more than 9 unique solutions in the system. It's not only quick monitoring, tracking, predicting, and also easy operation. From user experience, even people over 90 years old can operate the system very easily and smoothly. We just need the 2 buttons only. Easy maintenance, just use fresh water, no chemical needed to maintain the system. Smart calibration, the calibration is open and free for users. You don't need to pay any extra charge. For wireless communication and data transfer, that means you don't need the internet code, you don't need a PC, you don't need a laptop. The system also provides a GPS location function, and in a fixed type, you can monitor the water quality 24 hours in a day, continuous, non-stop. Next, please. A lot of water parameters we monitor in the system to meet the requirements. In aquaculture, we monitor 3 kinds of water parameters: the basic parameter, the toxic concentration, and the VBR. In drinking water, the system also monitors 3 kinds of parameters: the physical, bacteria, and the carcinogen. Next, please. 2 types of these products are available in the system: portable and fixed type. People can use only one portable system to monitor the water quality in many locations. It has a high cost and performance value. In a fixed type, people can monitor the water quality 24 hours a day automatically and continuously. You can save a lot of human power and also check the data in cloud server by your mobile devices at any time and any place. So it's also have a very high cost and performance value. Next, please. So the system design is very important, not just only for the general case, especially for the customer design, because different aquatic creatures, free stream, different country need to monitor different water parameters. So from user experience, the customized design is very, very popular and welcome. Next, please. The invention patent of the system is granted for 20 years from 2019. Next, please. The system also won CES competition award and more than 25 innovative competition awards globally in the world. Next, please. From the US, EU, Asia International News Report, Jintia technology is forecasted to be ranked top by 2024 in the water market. Next, please. The market in water quality monitoring and the solution are huge and global. No matter in America, Europe, Asia, or even in Africa, people need to know and process aquaculture water parameter to increase income, increase the safety of seafood and drinking water, and the protection of environments. Next, please. In order to let more people understand and launch this product, we are programming 3 business model. B2B is for agent and distributor. B2C is for direct user. And also we have a cooperation program with related industries. Next, please. If you need more information, scan the QR code or contact me by email, line, WhatsApp, WeChat, Viber, and so on. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, CEO Xie, and also he's also professor. Mr. Xie graduated from the prestigious University of Texas, and so if you saw that they have won 25 and more prizes, awards, and some of them very well known. For example, the Consumer Electronics Show, CES 2019, also aquaculture and agriculture, and for green building in 2019. So if they are focused especially, as you heard, because by 2025, quite an amazing statistic. It says, we heard from Professor Xie, 30% more in growth for aquaculture because of the people's needs, people wanting to have more fish and wanting to have more other types of seafood. And so, of course, definitely this will affect a lot of the water quality and quantity. This is already a very important issue. So for more information, later on we'll provide how you can contact Mr. Xie. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Hans Chang from AccuSensing Technology. He's the CEO, and they focus on the professional environmental sensors. Welcome, Hans.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for your time. I'm Hans Chang from AccuSensing Technology, CEO of AccuSensing Technology. Today, I am going to introduce our product Metals Analysis System, MAS. Next, please. Here is an exploded diagram of MAS. Two user-friendly components make our product more accessible to users. First, a smart chip loaded with a specific metal module. So when users want to detect different metals, you just replace the chip. You don't have to change the machine. Second, a disposable strip coated with reagents, so users don't add reagents by themselves. Operation step will be illustrated later. Next, please. Here we present you the features and advantages of MAS. First, 3 minutes detection time without pretreatment and calibration. In Taiwan, because in Taiwan we have to wait 2 or 3 weeks for a laboratory report. Second, lowest volume needed. Only 1 drop of water is enough to be detected. 3, MAS will give you a digital reading on the screen. So even users don't understand the complicated chemical graph, they can use it. Fourth, the limit of detection reaches to 10 microgram per liter ppb level. Next, please. Now MAS is able to detect 8 metals in water, including arsenic, copper, nickel, cadmium, lead, zinc, chromium, and mercury. And now arsenic, copper, nickel, and lead is available in the market. The vials you see here is to store the strips to prevent from the damp. Next, please. Now I'm going to introduce our core technology, disposable strip. Actually, it is an electrode made from screen printed technology. MAS principle is electrochemistry, a sensitive method to detect metal ions except heavy instruments in laboratory. And the reagent has been coated in the microfluidic channel on the disposable electrode. Third, the most importantly, pretreatment free and calibration free for users. So it is very easy to operate like blood glucose meters. Next, please. So here we will show you how users operate our product. Only 4 easy steps. Everyone can detect metal ions concentration in water. Step 1, you dip the strip to the water and let the water flow automatically by the microfluidic to the electrode. Step 2, insert the strip. Step 3, tap and wait. Step 4, digital readout. So what that means? That means you don't have to learn chemistry. You don't have to learn instrument analysis. Even 4-year-old kid can operate our machine. Next, please. Next, please. Okay, you can also see how we work in the field. You can scan the QR code and you can see the video. And the whole operation procedure is the whole operation process is very simple and clear. Next, please. Simple and clear, and with high correlation with laboratory methods, ICP, yes. Here we see is arsenic correlations. A total of 35 groundwater samples were collected on site and were immediately detected by mass for arsenic. Then the water samples were sold to the laboratory for analyzing by ICP, yes. And after statistical analysis, we obtained the correlation coefficient reaches to 0.98. Next one, please. And here you see is copper correlation with lab method, the same as arsenic, ICP, yes. A total of 11 samples from PCB and plating factories, including effluent and processed waters, were collected and also were immediately detected by mass for copper. Then water also, the water samples were also sold to the laboratory for analyzing by ICP, yes. And the correlation coefficient is the same as arsenic, reaches to 0.98. Next one, please. So who needs our product? Three parties. The first, factories who need to check the metal ions concentration quickly and accurately in processed water or effluent water. Second, filter manufacturers or sellers who need to evaluate or prove their filter's performance by checking the metal ions concentration before or after the water flow their filters. Third, some people who worry about the water they drink containing high level of heavy metals that are being harmful to human body health, for example, arsenic. Next, please. So if you have any questions, please contact us. We believe we can solve your problem. So our business manager, Ethan Wu, or our product manager, Vivi Liu. Next, please. Okay, thanks for your listening. Thank you very much.
Quite impressive. From 3 weeks getting a lab report to 3 minutes. I even asked Hans before if this information was accurate, and as you saw in the presentation, yes, it's highly accurate and also very portable machine, this mass system. I think that you have a lot of inquiries about your product, Hans, and thank you very much again. Now, next I would like to ask our last presenter for today, Mr. Tony Liu from Ketech Scientific Instrument, and their product brand is under the name Chemit, and founded in 1992 with 25 years of professional experience in online water process analyzers. Let me welcome Tony to tell you more about their company and their product.
Hello, everyone. This is Tony Liu from Ketech Scientific Instruments Company. Here we want to introduce you our company and our products. First of all, Ketech has been established from 1992, and from 1999 we created Chemit. About Ketech, we own our brand from 1992, and 2002 we launched COD analyzers and ammonia analyzers. From that, we created some of the instruments like UV COD, like Cooper, silica, and total cyanide, zinc, and so on. And from 2017, we presented chemical plating automatic control system, and also we be one of the 18 members. From 2017 to 2020, we released new products, some custom-made analyzers, something like total phenol, nitrate, and PVA analyzers for some pulp and paper industries. Then we want to introduce some of our products mix. We have 4 categories. One is meter and sensors, and second one is inline photometers. And third one is weather chemistry analyzers. And last one is chemical plating automatic control systems. First one, we have a multi-parameters controller, A7000 light. And this one, we can assess some pH conductivity or DO meter or temperature or the other something suspension solid and so on. And this one, we also can transfer on-site data by a wireless transmission like a 4G wireless Wi-Fi system. For the application is for the industries, potable water, wastewater, and aquaculture, and some sewage applications. And another one is a mini CWMS, but this one is a portable one. All the parameters is similar to 7000s, but this one we have batteries can last for 2 weeks power. So in this 2 weeks power, we can have a continuous measurement for all the parameters, and also we can change to our servers, and you can see the data by mobile phone. The second one is inline photometer. Inline photometer is something like want to measure some copper, nickel, chromium, iron, or turbidity. And we have a double beams absorption device. So this one is for process control or process monitors purpose. Another one is our online COD analyzers by UV LED technology. This one is some customers, they don't want to use the reagents and they don't want to have a second waste. So they want to have a very simple and very reliable system. And also this one analyzes, we can assess some pH or conductivity or the other option device. So the application is for water treatment plants, industrial effluent monitor, or river monitors, or chemical oil food industries purpose. And this one is chemical plating control systems for some very new application for we say the electrolysis, nickel base, or some copper micro etching systems. We need this kind of the system to determine the copper content or nickel content. The last one is W3000 series. This is wet chemistry analyzers. So that we call wet chemistry analyzer include photometric system, and another one is titration system. Another one is ion selective electrode system. All the application in water, I think we can do it. Okay, for example, we have ammonia, copper, boron, chlorine, fluoride, or nitrogen nitrate, silica, and so on. Okay, and for our benefit, well, our advantage, we follow EPA or STM or some of the other official standards. And we have a largest IP65 enclosure and a freestanding device. And we have a 7-inch color touch screen. And also we have a long life LED light for dual beam device. And also we have a very accurate syringe pump to dose all the chemicals or samples, so can be very accurate and precise control. And also we have diagnostic systems and auto compensation system, auto calibration systems. So we can have a data storage up to 5,000 history records. Okay, and we can support the remote data transmissions through technology of the wireless like Wi-Fi, 4G, LoRa, and so on. Follow following is all the tables. These are all the application we can do. Okay, something like aluminum, ammonia, and boron, lead, chlorine, chromate, and also like cobalt, copper, cyanide, and fluoride, and so on. Okay, you can see the tables. Okay, for the application, we can have some apply for water and environmental monitors, food and beverage, and pulp and papers, and chemical and petrochemicals, and also the plating and the etching applications, and for pharmaceutical and so on. And for the case study, we have various of reference. For example, in one of the petroleum plant, they need to measure ammonia sulfate for COD and ammonia applications. For Taiwan Drinking Water Company, we have some application like COD ammonia, aluminum, and also have some other device like conductivity suspension solid, and so on. And for some application for our governmentals reference, they want to build up a demonstration site in Taoyuan. They want to measure all the metals like zinc, like copper. So we have a very successful device for them to determine all the metals follow our EPA regulations. This one is for Taichung power stations. And the Taichung power station, they have a problem of the boron and also for nitrate system. And we do it very successfully. And this one is for the Industrial Research Institute. We have 100 successful reference over there for the river monitor for the agriculture applications. And this one is continuous water monitoring systems. And all the system integration, we do it by ourselves. And that's a real-time data from our monitor station. And also we can see all the data from our mobile phone. And that's all the reference from 2015 to 2020. Okay, that's all the pictures there. And if you need any application, please contact us. We can make it. Thank you.
Much, Tony, for that very informative presentation. As you have heard from that CATEC specializes in, you saw some of the machines are for portable, other ones are fixed ones. You saw many applications that their company has provided solutions to. Many of them are all very industrial, and the case studies, you saw many of the industrial cases here in Taiwan and also other places. So for more information, of course, you can contact Tony and he'll answer your questions. Now, as you see in the screen, I would just like to remind you again that we have the QR code. And please scan the QR code on the right for our questionnaire and make sure to fill it in and return it back to us so we can give you today's presentations and together with the contact information of our presenters. And also on your left-hand side, you see our TAITRA'S 63 offices worldwide, and most likely you find a TAITRA office near you. We serve as the bridge with Taiwanese manufacturers, so if you have any questions, you're welcome to send us an email and we'll be happy to help you. Also, later on we'll release, on a later date, we'll release today's live stream, and we hope that it was very informative and fruitful for you. If this was the case, then please, when you see it, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Today was our 12th TAITRA'S live stream launch, and we'll have many more TAITRA live stream launches in the future on other products. Thank you very much, all presenters. Thank you all who have also joined us around the world. And I'd like to just say keep safe and hope that your families are doing well. Many greetings from us all here from TAITRA Taiwan, and wish to see you next time. Goodbye for now.